Major news right now, we're about to see a very rare weather event, a very rare severe weather event happen tomorrow, especially if you live in this red area. Why? Because for only the third time in the last 13 years, Washington, D.C. and some of these other areas are now in a, quote, 4 out of 5 risk level for severe weather tomorrow. That includes tornadoes and more. Damaging winds up to 75 miles per hour and tornadoes are the biggest threat if you live in this red area. But this entire area is now susceptible for a severe weather event that doesn't happen this time of year. Doesn't really happen at the end of winter or even early spring. The Storm Prediction Center is warning that tornadoes, potentially strong damaging winds, are most likely from South Carolina all the way up to Maryland. And be prepared. It's going to happen all afternoon tomorrow. DC doesn't get tornadoes, but we could very well see one, if not multiple, tomorrow, and strong ones at that. So spread the word and follow along for more.